Do you see the boat house there? So the sun is up, so good morning again. Okay guys, I will reach Pondicherry and see you guys. See this fellow? Hello guys, very good morning and welcome back to another video of Ride With Me. If you're new to my channel, my name is Prasanna and I upload a lot of travel videos on my beautiful Interceptor 650. So check out all my other videos. Today we're going to ride to Pondicherry, which is about 150 kilometers from my hometown. It's just a morning coffee ride. Time is right now 4:15. So we'll be leaving from here by another 15 minutes. So 4:30 I'll be starting from here. So let's go without wasting much time and I'll see you with the bike. Yeah guys, so I'm all set and ready. Time is exactly 4:28 and we'll be leaving another 2 minutes. So 4:30 we're going to start from here. I have to take it out in stealth mode because everyone is sleeping and this beast will wake everyone up. So guys, we have crossed about 40 kilometers from my home and we have another 110 kilometers left. The ride has been fantastic so far. As I told you guys, today is the May 6th of 2021. We're currently going through some tough situations because of this COVID 2019. As of now, we are recording about more than 3 lakh positive cases a day. That's pretty bad. There are lakhs and lakhs of people suffering without oxygen. Don't worry India, we'll be back stronger than before. Actually, I wanted to go on a solo ride because I've been feeling very down lately because of all these negativities that's been happening around. But whenever I take a long ride on my bike, I feel quite better. It's always been like that and it will always be the same in the future as well. So long rides, the best stress busters, the best mood lifters. So my beast has been doing great. I haven't informed any of my buddies from the retro riders as well because I wanted to do a solo trip guys. It's been quite long. I recently did a solo trip to Tirupati, but that was more of a religious trip. I did enjoy the ride, but I didn't vlog that ride. So apart from that, I've been wanting to do a solo bike ride for quite some time now, and I thought, okay, today being the first day of some stricter lockdown in Tamil Nadu, there's lockdown after 12 p.m. in the afternoon. So I thought, okay, why not just take a quick spin on the beast, because I think I can reach back by probably 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so that shouldn't be a problem. I don't know what time the sun will come up, but I want to reach Pondicherry before that guys. I want to witness the sunrise from Pondicherry, so I'll rip it a little bit. I suppose I'll maintain a cruise speed of about 120 km per hour. So I've almost uploaded about more than 45 to 46 videos, 45 or 46 videos, I'm not sure, in my channel. Thanks for all your support till now, and if you're new to my channel, please do check out all my other videos. I've done my Leh Ladakh trip on my Classic 350 and I have about 15 episodes. I'll give you the playlist link in the top right corner. Do check it out without fail. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon guys to not miss out on any of the bike ride videos that I'm going to upload. So guys, we've almost crossed 65 kilometers. We've crossed Mahabalipuram. So from here on it's a two-way road without a median. I hope you all are enjoying the ride. If yes, hit the like button guys, and also do follow me on my Instagram. So guys, I just want to ask you another thing as well. I have been doing bike ride videos, travel videos, and I've been doing some delivery of new Interceptor 650 and also a first 1000 kilometer first impression review of the BS6 2021 versions. So I'm just wondering if I should start doing reviews on all types of bikes, or should I stick to travel videos and videos related to Interceptor 650. It will be great if I could have your feedback on that. So So please let me know in the comment section if you guys would like to have some bike review videos. So guys, yeah, we have almost reached the 100 kilometers mark from the start, which is the Mudaliyar Kuppam. It is exactly 100 kilometers from the city center. All the super bikes and supercars in the city every Sunday morning come here for a ride. Most of them. Do you see the boat house there? So the sun is up, so good morning again. And do you see Mudaliyar Kuppam boat house? So this is the exact 100 kilometer mark from the Chennai city center. So this is where most of the super bikes and supercars from the city come here for a leisure ride in the Sunday morning. See, the speedometer is also showing exactly 99.5 kilometers. Wow, what a sight, guys. You know, like it's a great feeling to ride in this East Coast road. How many ever times I come on this road, no? This road gives me a great feel each and every time I come. So that's the beauty of this East Coast road. I hope you guys can hear my voice clearly. I am at 120 right now. Time is right now 6:05. So 6:30 I should be probably reaching Pondicherry. So I've taken about 2 hours to reach Pondicherry, which means average of 70 to 80 km per hour. A little bit of speed here and there is not harmful, provided we are safe and follow the rules. Wow, that's a corner. I love doing corner on this beautiful bike. So confident, and that too with my new Pirelli tires. I hope you would have seen my new Pirelli tires video. If not, I'll give you the link in the top right corner as well. Do check it out. Okay, the road is a little bit bumpy, but the bike suspension is taking it good. Okay guys, I will reach Pondicherry and see you guys. See this fellow. Okay, I will reach Pondicherry and I will see you from there. Time is right now 6:26. We have almost reached Pondicherry. Just about 10 kilometers I suppose. So yeah, the sun is properly up. Unfortunately, I was not this dog. Wait, please. Thank you. These dogs and these cows. No, one more cow also was there. It was just walking in the opposite direction like this, and I was almost in like 110, 120, and this bugger decided to, cross the road in front of me. Thank God there was no vehicle on the opposite side. I don't know what these animals think, He's coming right now. Get ready, cross now. That's how their mind wash should be like. So I was telling you guys about my ride to Tirupati, right? During that ride, I had this surreal experience, guys. Seriously, because it was so damn hot. Tirupati is a mountain. Up the hill, it was okay. It was not very hot and not very cold, and it was moderate kind of climate. I went alone only. So when I came down, it was like scorching hot, guys. Chennai is like about 200 kilometers from Tirupati, and as I was coming from Tirupati to Chennai, when I was about to cross the Andhra border and enter Tamil Nadu border, all of a sudden, in the month of April, guys, it started raining like cats and dogs. I couldn't believe my eyes. And not only rain, guys, I believe it was some kind of a small cyclone, because the bike was pulling me towards the right. This bugger is 220 kgs weight, and this guy was pulling me towards the right. So that's how forced the wind was. Lightning and thunder and stuff. I had one lightning this side and I had another lightning this side, and oh my god, that was one hell of an experience. The rain lasted for like 20 minutes. I did not stop anywhere. I just kept riding because I didn't want to stop. But trust me, guys, I have never experienced such a rain in summer, that too in the month of April, with all these thunderstorm and lightning. And it was in the afternoon, around 12 o'clock, 12:01 I suppose. Okay, so I guess we have entered the Pondicherry checkpost. So yeah, the famous Pondicherry entrance is arriving soon. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can see. I have reached Pondicherry, yes! Okay, so here we are at the Pondicherry welcome gate. So yeah, entering Pondicherry, and the time is 6:31. So I've taken exactly 2 hours to reach here. So I'll just get to the beach and I'll see you guys there.